but you haven't heard my side. Let's set the record straight, for the sake of the legacy. McGregor, let's move. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Oh no, I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was in self-defense. I'm just a man protecting his own, trying to make it back home. All around in my hometown, they're trying to track me down. Say they wanna bring me in for the life of a deputy, but I'm just focused on the oasis, focused on the equity. Sheriff John Brown, he never did like my face. He didn't like the way I built this 239 place. Every time I plant a seed, he's there to watch it grow. Then he tries to cut it down before I even know. But 10 years of roots, you run deeper than his law. I'm just a man with a vision, that's all he ever saw. Freedom came my way one day and I started out of town. Saw the sheriff in the distance, aiming to shoot me down. Reflexes got the better of me, what is to be must be. I didn't want the trouble, I just wanted to be free. If I'm guilty, I'll pay, but I didn't touch the hill. I was looking out for the queen, looking out for myself. Every day the bucket goes to the well, then the bottom drops on the one who keeps moving when the music finally stops. It in the news, they talk it in the street, but they don't know the weight of the ground beneath my feet. I didn't shoot no deputy, I just cleared the path. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Oh no, I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was in self-defense. 10 years strong, just the facts, the oasis, major moves, McGregor.